Hey guys, ScarlettLove here. So, I have not made a video in a hot minute. And that's because a lot has happened since I last recorded a video. So, here's the rundown of what's happened. Last time I recorded anything was, I believe, when I did Riddle School, the game, on my old laptop, back in like February, maybe January. It's been like 10 months though. I am sick right now, so I apologize for that, but it's been a while. So, lots happened. I never actually came out and said this, but Matthew and I got married, so I am no longer an Adams, I'm a Foss. As many of you guys know, my name legally is Marissa. I am in the process of actually changing it to Scarlett for my own personal reasons. We moved into a new apartment, which is where I'm at right now. Matt is not here, as he is currently in boot camp at Great Lakes in Illinois for the Navy. I've lost a lot of friends. I've gained a lot of friends. I have gained a few pounds. As you can tell, my face is a little bit chunkier, but oh fucking well. A lot's changed. And having said that, I also have a new laptop. This quality is fucking shitty, but I am going to be buying a camera at the first of the year, whatever. January 1st, I'm getting a new camera. So, and I'll actually have a high quality, good camera, so I can actually make high quality videos then, and do a lot more than what I've been able to do. But this has been a real year of growth for me. I started college. I have been crazy busy with that. Been working on books and stuff. So you guys know I dye my hair a lot. This is nothing new. This is nothing out of the ordinary for you guys to see. My hair, crazy colors. I actually have only dyed it like twice this year. It was red at the beginning of the year. It was purple for my wedding celebration in the summertime, and then I took a break and just kept it as my natural color until last week when I dyed it this. This is a lot brighter than what it looks like over the camera. My camera's a piece of shit, y'all know that. But a lot's changed. That's just how it is. So, this video is mostly an update on what's going to be going on. I know that people don't really watch me, and that's fine, but I do these videos for the few people that do. But it's also Thanksgiving is also right around the corner. It's less than a week away. And because I'm really missing Matt so much, I do want to kind of say what I'm thankful for, and what I'm thankful for about this year. I am definitely thankful for my grandmother who helped us get a car. So we actually have a car now, which is fucking awesome. I'm also thankful for my husband and how he's always there for me. I never have to worry about anything. I mean, hell, he's the one. I'm not currently working because he's supporting me through college. Like, that's a blessing in disguise. But I also am thankful for this channel. I know I'm never on it anymore, but this channel, when I started it, I was in a much, much darker place. When I started this channel, I was still with Tyler, and, he and I broke up in the middle of this channel. I claimed the channel as my own. At one point, this was not ScarlettLove, it was Nova Scarlett. I only have about 45 subscribers, but it's still, everyone that subscribes to me is typically people I know, and the fact that they can go support me, and they're there for me, and they comment on my videos and watch my videos, it means the world to me. I mean, I don't post a lot. I don't do crazy videos. I still have a whole list of videos I want to get through at some point. And once I get my new camera, I'll actually be able to do those, so stay tuned for a fun video from next summer that I'm currently working on planning. But, yeah, so I'm definitely thankful for you guys to take the time to watch these videos, no matter how shitty the quality is, no matter how horrible I sound sometimes, but it's appreciated. And I just want to let you guys know that. I am also going to be doing a video later showing off my makeup because, God, I have so much, and I figured why not. That will either be today or tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. I am sick, so I'm kind of wanting to just relax. But I did a video like that 2-3 years ago, and I wanted to do another one because I've gained a lot more makeup since then. So, but yeah, that's the update on the channel, update on my life. Lots changed, lots different. But the one thing that isn't the same is fucking hell. You guys are lucky that these are unedited because I sound like an idiot half the time. Y'all wouldn't be able to see all the craziness if I actually edited videos. But one thing that hasn't changed is that I do love this channel. I love the people that watch. This channel is still a dream of mine. And I know it's kind of been dead for the past year, but I'm back. With Matt gone, I do have a lot more time to work on this channel and make higher quality content and, just go from there. So, I'm actually also going to be getting a legit logo soon, so stay tuned for that. I am excited. I am working with an actual company to have them make a logo and a actual, opening title card type thing along with an end card. I'm beyond excited about that. But, yeah. I'm not going to make this video too long because I'm kind of just talking, and you guys probably don't want to hear that. So, I shall see you guys at some point in the near future. And, yeah. Bye, guys.